What I like the most about the Omnicharge is the amount of ports you get. In addition to your standard USB A and C that you can find in regular battery packs, you can also get a 100-watt DC port, a wireless pad for your phone on top, and the most impressive part is that you also have a 100-watt AC port, which is pretty incredible for something that small. This means I can charge all my cameras and the rest of my gear too. I can charge my Pocket 6K Pro batteries since I have a USB charger, I can charge my drone batteries using the AC, and I can even use it to power my Fuji X100V. I like that I can charge my phone without using any of the ports thanks to the wireless pad. And with the AC, it also means that I can plug in my MacBook Pro. I also like the fact that it is small and relatively slim. This is important as it can fit easily in my backpack. It is quite powerful as well, and you can get multiple charges based on the items that you use. It is reliable. I have been using it regularly for a few months now, and so far I've had no issues. It also keeps the battery charged for a very long time when you don't use it. And lastly, it has a small screen that tells you what you're using in terms of power for each of the ports, as well as giving you information on the temperature and battery remaining.